Go.
Yo, bitches! It's New Stuff and Nicky! The 21st Sunday, we're at Diamond Dome. Nicky and Gary's favorite hangout. One of the biggest car shows of the year over here. It's an annual deal, so they're packed already by the time we got here. Sorry about that. Right. So, drink in hand, and I'm gonna go around. I'll do some video for you guys, and I remember the joke chain. So when I go inside, Gary go, get outside again. All right, I'm gonna shoot some video for you guys and show you some cool cars. I love you, man. Peace out. We're doing it. Oh well, baby, it's Sunday, guys. I'm gonna do an intro in a minute, but you know, we got here about half an hour ago. The joint is packed already. Barely 11 o'clock. We're at Diamond Dolls, baby, in Florida. It's packed, man. And there's still people trying to get parking spaces, but they're running out. So figured I'd do that really quick. I'm gonna walk around in a minute. We brought the old boss with us, so he's over there. So I'm gonna hit my cooler in the trunk, make myself a drink. Yes, I love that car. Yeah, and then I'm gonna take you guys around pretty soon. It's gonna be a cool, awesome, long day here. It's actually, the weather's kind of cool. It's windy. Perfect weather. The sky is blue. Kick ass. So, all right, I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, guys, a 6-cell system party. This truck right behind the bushes here. He's warming up for inside. I'm talking about. Come on, man. Nicky wants a dance. Ooh, ooh. Alright, so he's parking. That's a short truck.
Get a nosebleed in that thing.
Holy fuck, dude. I mean, really? Tires are taller now. What's up with that? Oh my god. I mean, in a way, I think it's like really stupid, ridiculous.
I like to watch them get
But
out.
in another way, I want to drive that thing just so I can run over a few assholes that piss me off during the week. This is great. Jump. This thing is sick. Oh my god.
I had that Z28 too. I was like,
yeah, I know the Z28 just pulled up. Oh, sorry guys, I'm talking to a friend. This truck just pulled up. So, all right, we're gonna walk around in a sec. Well, there's a truck driver's owner. Overalls, tattoos. Yeah, you get the point. This thing is sick though. Look at this shit. Oh my god. You man and Kaz are probably gonna get a kick out of this shit. This is nuts. Holy crap, the amount of money and work that went into this though. Can you imagine? I just want to drive this one night and wreck some shit. like the mirror is like a foot above my head. Wait, I think it's more than that. This is crazy. That's great. Well, folks, if you're gonna do it, overdo it. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta get my drink. It's great.
Oh, I'm actually looking.
Gary, you missed it because you're
looking here.
what?
No, my crazy customer said it's all tatted up.
Oh, that's the fucker that just came in the truck.
Yeah, that's Eric.
Dude, it's like beyond Bigfoot, right? Oh, really? All right, wait. I gotta get this. Gary doesn't know I'm taping. Kick him in his overalls. There you go. I was filming your truck because, dude, really?
Still riding or what? You still got the bike?
Yeah, actually, it's going to him. DJ's going to score this building. You can throw some work for it.
Oh shit, because I just seen you come up with the fucking monster.
Oh, cool, man. Somebody lost this crap on the street.
So long, and we haven't been coming here that much, you know, the racist, everything going back.
Yeah, I've actually been working down just for the cheetah on how ago? Monday, Friday, Saturday, I was working the door, and then Monday, Tuesday, I was working
good.
Yeah,
Keep yourself busy, that's it. Want to make some money?
Stay steady.
Cool.
That is just obscene.
I just seen you.
That's like the Empire.
And then I look and I'm like,
That's insane, dude.
all right, brother.
Oh, I'll be right there. Don't touch my drink or I'm gonna kick your ass. All right, here, check this out, guys. Some of the cars I'm gonna walk by you may have seen in other walk-bys I do, but we've actually got quite a few kind of neat. That's Alan. Say hi. Where's he going?
High and by.
That's my bestest buddy Alan. Guess what, guys? Quick story about Nicky. This man right here, when I first started racing motorcycles, the leathers I wore belonged to him. They were the first ones I bought. And him and my friend Marco are the ones that taught me how to race a motorcycle. And the best builder of racing motorcycle engines there is in South Florida. That's the man right there, baby. Oh, bye, I love you. It's good to see you. Never knew who the fuck you run into here. Oh my God. I love that, man. No joke though. You want a motor built? He's the best. That showed up. I'm not a fan of these things, by the way, but you know, he did a cool job. Something different to look at. Got the obligatory crotch rockets. All right. Oh. No. I'm gonna let them go because they're cool. Are they gonna do that cool horn thing again? I'm in a boat. Oh, look at that. Yes. This thing is badass. Alright, well, wait a second. I want to get this. This is cool. Yeah. Nice. These guys, when they leave, they hit it. Oh, there's another one. There's a line of guys on the side leaving over here. I don't know why.
Up there. Everybody can clap when they shut up.
Alright, ready? Walk across. Right. Got another line of them going. Excuse me, folks. Thank you. Ooh. Look at this one. Drive safe. That's awesome. Good stuff. This thing is beautiful. Look at this. My God. Cool. Wow. B-dub! You know, Nikki loves her big dogs, man. I'm a German girl. Speaking of which, I'm going to show you something cool in a minute. Hang on, I gotta grab my drink. I gotta start filming with it. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh, say hi to Troy. Hi, Troy. He's a bulldozer. And he's a sweetheart. Ah, there's Troy. Hi, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah. We're gonna get her pole dance, and we got a bikini that fits her. There we go. Troy's gonna watch. He's gonna throw her bills. Who's a good boy?
The soft biscuits, the soft doggy shoes.
No joke,
I got
man.
the little pole thing like peanut butter. I got something right here.
All right, let's go look at some muscle. Crap, my clothes are falling. Oh shit, I almost dropped my drink. Sorry, guys. Wait, I'm gonna straighten this out in a minute. Just getting going here. Okay. Adjustment. Tits were coming out. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, if you guys only heard this when it pulled in. Mama. Every AMG is signed by the guy that built them. My car was signed too. Oh yeah, look at his gas cap. Oh fuck yeah, this is great. Green? Not so much. 2 middle fingers? That's fucking great. Oh shit, yeah. This is great. Bye Alan, drive safe. Yes, we got some Van Halen guys going. Like 5,000 copyright strikes for the next hour. I don't give a shit. Van Halen's my thing. Yeah, doggy. I can't do too much zooming, so I just have to keep walking and move. Oh, there goes Alan. He just wound it up. What I mean? Yes. This is great, man. We're gonna walk down there. Nikki's going in there after I'm done taping for you. That's right. That's where I'm going to be for the next few hours. Getting trashed. Crotch rocket. Just what you do here. You know, it's a strip club after all. They all just got on duty. I gotta go toss some bills. Salt flats. I actually always wanted to do that. What is it like to go 1,000 miles an hour? I would so do it. Take your mask off, fuckwad. You weren't wearing it all day. I'm busting his nuts. Georgie is just trying to get a rise out of people. He never wears his mask. He's only wearing it because it's like custom made. It's got Trump on it.
Nostalgia altered race car in a parking lot. He's going to come up and make some noise. And we got Dave's Outlaw Mustang on the Palm Beach International. An 8-second car coming up. He's going to make some noise here at world famous Diamond Dolls.
This one we love.
Classic car
Looking at it before. Check this one
Don't
out.
forget, take a chance on that flat screen
Pretty
TV.
wicked. I love this kind of stuff right here. Awesome. blowing in my face, so intermittently I can't really see the screen. Because I got a drink in my hand, so it's not like I can pull my hair aside. The drink is more important than my hairdo. Alright. Yeah, you know, that's Jay's car. Then we got Corvette Road on here. Alright, I'll walk down here for all you Corvette guys. Stuffed with vets. Alright. Oh, sorry. I'm taping. Hi. What's going on?
Daniela, say hi to Daniela.
Hi. Cheers.
Want Anne-Marie's after this?
Really? That's a fucking buzzkill. You go from strippers to Anne Marie's.
I'm at church.
Jesus.
I'm at church service here.
Oh, right. No, you don't, Gary. Now you don't make it out of here early once that starts.
I know you guys are
Yeah.
late all the time. You like to sleep, that's why.
Right. Like stuff bills and a bunch of naked chicks, or go hang out with the old farts and eat pizza. Meh. Uh-oh. That's just an insane amount of Corvettes. We got a huge Corvette club in South Florida. It's huge. This one's pretty nice, actually. This one's actually nice, Gary. Even, I mean, it's an old one, you know, but I can't believe I'm saying that. You guys know Nikki's not a vet. I mean, this is cool. Interiors. No, but the interior's really nice. It's cool. I like this. It's got a gorgeous interior. I love the red. Yeah, but you guys know that's not my deal. That one's for sale. Every time I see Corvettes, I think of Ace and Gary on Saturday Night Live, guys. It's just, I don't know why. Oh, uh-oh. Turnout. There he goes. Everybody does that when they leave. I don't know if I caught him because the sun's too bright. Firebird portable. Let's go over here. There's cool stuff. We all saw the blue mock already before. I think you've seen that one before. We had it come out at a couple shows. It's worth looking at again. It's awesome. Oh, there he goes. Hi. Cheers. Fire it up. Fire it up. That's our friend. Oh, okay. What's he doing? Alright. There's a meat on the thing. Yeah. He's got some meat on the bone. I didn't realize that was his car, duh. No. Yeah, we're halfway hooded with a lot of these cars because it's getting a little hot. So I think you guys have seen this too. I want to go down here because there's a few cool trucks.
See that yet? You don't even know what kind of condition it's in. You're in a terrible condition.
Wow. Seems pretty sweet. I'm not a fan of the shiny chrome rims, but I'm kind of old school. Oh, this one's for Dana. She'll dig it. Well, except for it's all super shiny. The wheels are not probably her thing, but... And there goes the hair in my face again. Get out of my face! This is awesome.
My grandfather bought it. Yeah. My grandfather bought it. He didn't buy it for me. He bought it to work. Use it to work. To make a living.
That's good that you bought it.
This is cool. The bed. You did a good job there.
It's fiberglass. If it rips it off, I just stop, pick it up, throw it in the back, take it in my car.
We love we dubs. Lowrider. Look at this, guys. This is cool. It's a 1960 Caddy. It's so dropped, dude. This thing, the top of the door doesn't even go up to my vag. All right, it's like dropped. It's awesome. Too much? Oh man, look at that. What? That's cool. That's like super dry. Check this out. Wait, move the drink. It's like scraping. I love it. Oh, hot rod buddy. Super fatties. This is great. Look at this guy's towel thing. It's Santa and the towel says, ask your mom, effing real. Oh, he's got the little spinner on the wheel. Remember those things, guys? That's cool. So cool. Hey, baby cakes with sexy butt. Oh, there we go. Go on. Patchy. You guys want to see something after this? Is just when this came in this morning, I was like, oh, I love this fucking thing. Look at this. Yeah, let's see what it says. It's a 1950 div coat. This thing is just cool as shit. This is awesome. I want this thing. It's got a motorcycle in the back too. I want it even more. I love this shit. I would so rock this, man. I'd like to toss a bikini on, go down to Fort Lauderdale, like, yo, what's up, bitches?
Hey, we're gonna bring up Dave's
Turnout rice burger.
Peabody Mustang.
This thing is actually pretty cool.
Runs 880s at the quarter mile at Palm Beach International Raceway.
Uh-oh. Heard what he said. Runs high eights.
Every once in a while, right?
Mustang that runs high eights.
Beautiful Mustang. Gotta come up and fire it up a little bit, make some noise.
Is it? You guys want to hear that?
Bring up a nostalgia altar big block of Joe Maggart.
There's more.
In honor of his late brother, Cody Maggart.
Where'd G go? I lost him again. probably in there spending dollar bills already. Oh no, wait, is that golden earring he's gonna play now? Yes! Metropolitan. This thing's actually really good shape. I'm sure it's from the store. Yeah. Radar love. Or there. Awesome. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's doing it already. I missed it. Oh, so that doesn't count. They said it was an 8 and change second car, but he's using nitros. He's cheating. Oh shit! What's going on? Which one is it? Let me see if I can catch it for you guys. Oh, there he is.
Second Outlaw Mustang of Dave. Who'll be at the no prep? Hey Joe, hold on for a second. We're going to bring up Rich Gottlieb's Super Stock 63 Dodge. This is the song, the little old lady from Pasadena.
Ah,
this
crap,
was the
all
car
the degenerates
that
are...
inspired the
No, don't
Beach
kiss
Boys
me.
hit. Aluminum fenders, aluminum hood, and aluminum bumper from the factory.
You know what?
They only made 31 of these cars. It's rare.
For fuck's sake.
A 426 Mack Wedge engine, dual quad,
Here we
super
go.
stock, a Rich Gottlieb.
Oh, he's firing it up here.
One of 31 cars.
There we go. This thing is loud, guys. Probably doesn't even come across as loud as it really is. This is awesome. Oh, it smells good too. Smells like I'm at a track right now. This is like heaven for Nikki. Oh, yes. Yes.
426.
Yeah,
15-to-1 compression ratio. One of 31 cars in the old super stock war days. Hey, we're going to big up Joe Magri, tribute to his brother Tony's.
Noisy part of the video.
Entered 1931
I'm sorry
Ford
you guys
with a
hate this, but I
427.
gotta put it on here because some people like it, you know, so
Can you imagine these
fuck
guys in the 50s and 60s running these things at
Here comes
130
another
miles
one.
an hour? It was a suicide run, but in tribute to his late brother who just passed away a couple weeks ago, Joe Magri, bring it up, the altered roadster.
There you go. snowman car right there. I love that. Great. That thing's not fucking around though, man. I mean, that car's not fucking around.
This one's bad. The Dodge.
The Dodge? Oh yeah, that that thing is sick, dude.
I mean, for the same, you know.
Oh yeah, I would take that over that any day of the week.
How come you did red instead of blue? Everybody's doing blue.
What?
Your hair.
No, no, I'm still red. Oh, here he comes again, Murray. Go. Here he comes. It is pretty wicked. Hey!
What are you doing?
What's
Hey,
up?
Victor.
What's up? How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good to see you. Yeah. Yeah, the Dodge is definitely, you know, the shit. My foot hurts. Oh, that's great. Ah, man, my fucking toes cramped on red. Ow. You know, you're like toes cramped sometimes. You gotta like, no, I can't sit down. I'm taping. my toes just cramped up. You know what? Well, my ankle's all right. It's my toes that are cramping up right now. On my left side, I think that's like a deficiency of everything, like drinking too much and never eating.
Need more water.
I need more strippers. We gotta go inside. All right. All right. So did we do those? No, I passed by these. Ah, man, it's almost like I got a whatchamacallit, Charlie horse thing going in my last two toes. I know my toes are cramped up because I didn't stick up Gary's butt enough this week. No, I'm just joking. Jeez. Oh, that's nice. Everybody's working. You're just smoking a cigar. That's all good. What? Oh.
I didn't open that shop to get a second job.
Get the yeah, I wanna go inside. This is Mark, by the way, you pull it. He's got a badass shop down here in South Florida. Got the lifts, the whole thing's done out. You go there, you rent spots, work on your car. Amazing guy, amazing shop, amazing people. That's him. And amazing cars. Ow. Yeah, it's so cramped up, man. It's killing me right now.
You want me to hold it for you?
No. Get off me. All right.
Go inside and sit down for a second.
All right, God, Gary, get off my butthole. I'm coming in a minute. I gotta finish filming. I'm coming. I know. I just didn't get it because the loudness started. I love this shit. Jet fuel only. Works for me. I kind of got some in my cup. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Look up. What is he talking about? Oh shit, there's little holes up top. I need to see the sign on his seat. It says look up. So I looked up. That's hilarious. Wow, that's crazy. No. All right, cool. There he's talking to somebody. I got rid of him for a minute.
Yeah.
I know I missed a few. A lot of guys are leaving. Those are the guys whose wives are like, I know you're a strip club show, but shut your fucking ass home. By this nap time, don't be shoving no dollar bills in their G-strings, or I'm gonna kick your ass, and you ain't gonna eat dinner for a month. I'm just joking. Well, not really. Hey, I'm changing my man. this off in a minute. And our antics for the day. This car has a gorgeous interior. My hearing took a hit. I'm heading back over to our car because I need to refill my booze. Yes, Nikki packs a cooler in the trunk. I come fucking prepared. Refill. My friend's looking at me like, oh, alright, wait. Oh. Damn it. Alright. Oh, got some bikes here now. My chair's over there in the corner. Got some motorcycles. Gary, you popping open the trunk. We can take a refill in there. Oh, fucking royalty here. We can take drinks in there. They don't give a shit. Yeah, look at this bike. Rockstar. Oh. What is that? They parked on Grand National.
Grand National? I did,
cool.
So that bird mountain.
Yeah. You're good. It doesn't matter.
I'm here with my girlfriend. I want my wife to find out.
Oh, crap. I didn't get you. I didn't get you. You're safe with me.
Sure.
And that's what we brought. You know, you guys have seen him before, but he's super polished today. We cleaned him. Gary's been working on him. Look what Gary did. It's the only thing not original now. He changed out his little shifter. Got a little Hearst action in there now. This is baby girl. All right, I'm making Gary a refill. Say hi, Gary. I'm gonna close out. Hi. Well, you guys remember from last year, right? That's my bartender and my driver, because we only bring one car on days like this. I am not capable of driving at the end of the day. It's really cool. So there's my cooler, and it has a really cool trunk, tweed mat. Ice cube. More ice cube. That's enough. Vodka and cranberry. I mixed it. It's really good. Spare tire. Always need that. But the vodka and cranberry, far more important when you're at a car show. Anyway, there's baby girl. Well, and for those of you that didn't see the clip, you know, in the last car show we were at, this is our Boss 302. She's a 1970, completely original, unrestored, numbers matching, original motor, original everything. I'll zoom in. There's not too much dirt here. We've been cleaning, but original everything. That's baby girl right there. All right. So yeah, she's totally original. You know, we got to do a little bit here and there maintenance-wise, but we try to keep her original. So that's the sexy butt right there. So we decided to take her out today. So, yup. The yellow boss and the Nikki boss is out. Maybe I'll catch a few more clips. I'm not quite too sure, but I love you guys. And I'll do an outro after I'm done with the strippers. I got to go see what's up inside. Our friend, the owner, well, the guys that work here and everybody, a lot of them are our customers and our friends and all, so we know everybody here. And he told us, full capacity, they're working great, everything's normal, and there's food and half-naked chicks in there, so Nikki's in. And I'll outro on the way out. Hopefully I won't be too smashed. I love you guys. Motor out. No, yeah, we have one guy that's got one.
Yeah?
But we haven't seen him. Oh, there he goes! Cadillac. I wish you guys could have seen him leave.
Beautiful.
Alright, so, wait, let me see. Die! Everybody's losing it. Ah, there goes Jerry. Hi, Jerry! So we just walked out of the strip club, basically. We've been sousing in there for the last couple hours. I'm buzzed. Whatever. Let me say holla. It was good.
Here we go, one more time.
We always end up coming out too late when everybody's leaving. Yeah. Bye. calling the numbers and people are leaving. Oh, there goes the Dodge. You hear this thing?
Just for you, baby girl. Just for you. It's not leaving.
99, 66, 2, 2.
We're all leaving. We're gonna leave too in a minute. We just got out of here. She had to get her lap dances in.
Just for you, baby girl. Just for you.
Guess what?
It's getting cold out here too, man.
West Food, easy.
It's getting nipply.
Again, I want to thank everybody coming out. I want to
Hey,
thank
Conrad!
Next show is on Friday.
Oh, look, only one.
We are going to
the
be
CO6.
over at
Yeah,
Bay Harbor Island. Right on King Concourse.
sounds pretty badass though.
Yeah.
Do that.
I want to thank everybody for coming to work.
Yeah.
This show, hope to see you at Bay Harbor Island. Good night, everyone. Drive safe.
Drive safe. I don't have to drive. Gary's doing the bad work.
Hey, if I knew what I knew now, I would have kept my wire blue.
Oh, there goes the Dodge.
We want to stop you, bounce you, not of you.
Oh, is he gonna make a U-turn?
You have a car.
Is the Dodge gonna make a U-turn? I wanna see him light into that shit.
Look at that. Nice.
Like, you got the balls. Use the gas pedal, damn it. Give us a show. He'll do it. He's over there, I don't know. These guys are out on the street. I'm semi-south, so hopefully I'm getting this right. Damn, look at the tires on this thing, man. Shit. Oh, fuck, did I miss it? Oh no, that was the other.
Just like that with those rings.
There you go, there's the Trans Am crew, man. Alright, where's the Dodge? Where is he? Camaro's going? Yeah! I don't know if you guys can see that down the street. Everybody leaves and the street's over there, and they're just killing it. Where'd he go? He got stuck on the light? Everybody just goes balls to the wall when they leave. You can do that here because this is power line and the cops really just don't give a shit. Where else you can do it? Damn! I know, right? I didn't think that thing had nuts like that. Oh my god. Sorry, at this point it's getting boring, but it's fun to us because we're drunk.
I like that Chevy, bro. That always be one of my favorites. Yeah. Yeah. Couple of friends in high school, they parents let him drive the Chevy. We had a plan.
Yeah, everybody had a fucking C10 back in the day. You know? Good.
Oh man.
No, I guess he made a left. He didn't make a U-8.
He make
Damn
it
it.
right, bro.
Killed my buzz. Alright, well, bye, George! Damn it. You leaving without saying bye? You loser? Let's see what you got.
What do you got?
That's gorgeous out. Alright, let's see if George grows a set of balls and actually does what he's supposed to do when he leaves.
I don't know if this car is really hot right now.
No, I know. Wait, where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's about to go out. He's down in the end over there.
Race car is making a U-turn. Here we go.
Is it?
He's going back in.
Well, oh, George is driving like a grandpa. Really? Look, he's looking at us too.
He knows it.
I know. He's looking at us.
He knows it.
Fucking grandpa.
They're not gonna race.
Oh my God. All right, I gotta turn this around. I got some chick in a diaper giving me dirty looks.
Later. You want me to sign it? I bring a black thing.
I mean, I guess whether
I
you
gotta
sign
say
it or
bye.
we don't sign it,
What are you
it's
doing?
always going to be ready to be sold, I guess, whenever you do. You want to sign it?
Yeah, let's
Wait, let me see if I can turn this around. Is that good? Wait, Gary's better too. Hey, hang on a second, man. Oh, all right. You fuckers. Wait, I need you to hold this because I left my cup on the trash can. That's my Yeti, man. Yo, if somebody steals it, I'm gonna kick their ass. All right. Yeah, we had fun. I'm like toasted right now. So, all right, we were inside the strip club for a while, and now we're leaving. It's the end of the day, so I hope you had fun. It's getting cold and nipply out here. All right, and so I'll see you guys next time. Stay green. I'll see you later. A little naked and drunk doesn't hurt either. Wait, that's supposed to be wild and dirty. Hey, same thing. Hey, I got a phone number. Got another one. All right. Good thing I'm not driving. Love you guys. Gotta make another drink and out of here, man. See you next time.
Oh, I thought it was us.
Oh, he wants to say bye. You gotta take your diaper off. You're gonna say bye. No diapers allowed on video, man. You know what? Come on now.
Wait, what'd you say? Diaper.
Do it. Do it.
That's us.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Look at the mustache.
No Daytona for you. I see the. Oh. What?
Oh, she kissing me now. She give me hanging. Oh my God. This one.
All right. I'll take her around. Say bye, Gary.
Goodbye. See you later.
Say bye, diaper boy. All right. There you go.
Diaper boy, damn.
George, I don't know what George is doing, man. I think he's just spoofing us all fucking around. Oh my God. Bye, Jeff. All right. Should we go say our last goodbyes? Oh, there's that truck. This truck is so cool. Giggity. So cool. Alright, I'm out, guys. I gotta say bye to my crew over here and I'm out. I'm coming. I think I can hear you with all the exhaust blowing in my ear. Yeah. Alright. Love you guys. Nikki out. But not down. Take care. Love you guys. Big hugs, man.